Hi, guys, nice to see you. It is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is steamed cabbage recipe. Hope you like it. Steaming cabbage like I do makes it a simple and delicious meal. The cabbage is sweet and delicious. Do save the recipe, yeah. Let's start cooking. Steamed cabbage. Tear cabbage into small pieces, wash and set aside. Steam for 15 minutes. Cabbage is cooked. Drizzle soy sauce. 1 tablespoon crispy prawn chili sauce. This crispy chili sauce is delicatessen and goes well with vegetables too. Let's eat. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day. Right. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes.